To be exact, the Lovers Studio with my tattoo artist, Andrew Kellogg's. So Andrew did most of my tattoo on my right arm. He scarred me on my right arm. Black work. What are you getting?
I'm getting my cat's name, Dracula.
Wow, so her cat's name is Dracula,
Yeah.
which is actually quite cute. Oh my god, that's a fat Dracula. He's been drinking a lot of blood. Those who actually like my chili, I've actually got a secret. The reason why my chili is so pedas and sedap is because Andrew tattooed 2 chili putties on my wrist. So I'm actually getting a food dog today. So these are some of the other stuff that Andrew has done for me. This is a sea bass with some coriander. This is a rooster or cock if you want. This is a mechanical heart. This one is sort of like a self-portrait. It's an ox skull smoking a cigarette. This one here was actually done by Andrew's ex-studio mate. It's basically chow wok. It's a hand holding a wok with 100 bai. My father's name is Pak, in Cantonese Pak, bai. So it's like a homage to my father with a lot of wok hay. It's a lot of fire. And of course, 2 chili putties. So you look more like a fighter than a lover, right? So why is your studio called the Lover's Tattoo?
I'm a lover, man. Kung Fu hustle.
The Lovers.
Yeah. There was the couple, right? The old couple that, as much as they quarrel, they always fight together. You know, you see like there was one part with the bell, and then they came into the casino, and then they said. The opponent said, "Oh, you guys are the famed lovers," and I was like, "That's dope. That's really really cool."
Lạp chăng?
不一样啊。
不一样。凤爪 chicken feet 菜还有这个这个哈是放这里啊放这一个 OK 啊谢谢 Okay, just tap out some Teochew Porridge. I feel like a pig compared to what Andrew ordered. So I got lap chung sausage, fong jiao, phoenix claws, some beancurd skin and veggie. This is Rebel Territory Teochew Porridge. The Worker Party HQ is actually directly opposite. Okay, so I just realized tattoo artists don't really eat pedas chili. So this is gonna be a gamble. I brought my chili for him to try, so I'm actually not sure whether he's gonna take it or he's gonna like choke.
Wow. Oh, this looks damn spicy, dude.
Your parents, they take or no, your family? Come on, don't be a pussy, right?
That's right.
Your whole body tattooed and you can't take chili. Come on. Okay, just a little bit. Huh? Can, right? Let's dig into the feng jiao. Good. Nice. Next one up is a portrait. The portrait that I have on my Poon Supperclub logo of me and my father. Finally done. Food dog. It's turned out really good. I really like this. Tin Gao, food dog, and portrait. Cool. Thank you.